Hey, it's Paul with RackAttack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond Lincoln Nautilus with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bars set of 2 offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these molded rubber base pads and 4 sets of these rubberized metal brackets, and then 4 fasteners. So these components have numbers that are assigned to them, which correspond to numbers that are in the instruction sheet that helps to guide the correct placement on the individual feet. Here is one of the feet. This is the Evo Flush Rail foot, and I'll go ahead and remove the outer cover. With that cover removed, you can see within the foot we have a threaded post here. Now, when you install the fitting kit onto the foot, there are not only numbers but also letters assigned to these parts. So the letters will assist in the correct order of placement on the foot. So let's put the first one on, which is the inner bracket, and that has the letter A. So we'll just put the A in place. And then the next part is B, which is the rubber base pad, and we'll put the rubber base pad just by pressing that to the underside of the foot. And then C is the outer portion of the bracket, and that just hinges onto the top portion and then swings down, and then you take your fastener and begin threading that on to hold those parts into place. So the next step is installing this onto the load bar. And here we have a section of the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This part we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track, and that track is designed to hold approved accessories, carriers and accessories. You can slide in the approved hardware into the slot in between the 2 pieces of rubber without having to cut the rubber, to give you a clean integrated method of attachment of those certain carriers, and allows you to tighten those on anywhere along the length of the bar. Then you would close the end cap. Now when it's time to install the foot onto the bar, we'll go ahead and take off that end cap, and you have an underbar slot. Now within this slot we have this measuring device, and this measuring device does have numbers on it that help in positioning the foot onto the underside. Now those numbers are not referenced on the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to help to maintain good crossbar spacing and centering on the roof of the vehicle, though that's a manual process. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and just slide the foot into that slot, and then when it's time to bring it to the vehicle, you want to make sure that you first put your end cap back on, and that way that'll stop that foot from slipping off the end of the bar while you're maneuvering it around on the vehicle. Then you would set these clamps down onto your side rail and center the bars and begin tightening. You would tighten one side about halfway, and then go back to the other side and tighten it the other half. And now when you're fully tightening this fastener, this handle that's included with the foot pack has a unique handle that will click, and that indicates that you've tightened it completely. So I'll go ahead and do that so you can hear that click. At that point, you know that you've tightened it all the way. Now on the underside of the bar, you see we have some exposed slot there. We want to cut some rubber that's included with the load bars to fill in that slot to help maintain the good aerodynamics on the underside of the bar. Okay, then we can go ahead and replace the outer cover just by snapping that into place. There's a plastic plug here. You just want to give that a 1/4 turn, and then that will hold that plastic cover into place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule 1-key system metal lock cylinder, And that metal lock cylinder can be purchased in sets. A set of 4 would lock all 4 of your feet. You can also purchase these in larger sets, a set of 6 or 8 or even more, in order to lock not only your base roof rack, but also your one-key system compatible accessories and carriers to the roof rack system, all with just one key for convenience. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2019 through 2022 and likely beyond Lincoln Nautilus with factory installed flush side rails. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Also, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those below in the comments section. And if you want to see more rack-related videos, we upload new videos weekly, so please subscribe, and thanks for watching.